All right, welcome back. In this video, we're looking at Canvas Studio again, and this time we're adding a video quiz to your course. In the previous videos, we've looked at adding videos to your library and then attaching a quiz to that video. This video focuses on adding that quiz to your course. So this is my Canvas course that I'm going to be adding the stuff to. At the moment, it's just completely blank. There is no content on this course. To add in a Canvas Studio video quiz, we click onto the Assignments tab. And what we're going to do is add an assignment by pressing this purple button up here. There's a few different things we need to do in order to get this assignment set up right, and I'm going to go through those in some detail with you. So we need to give this assignment a name. So I'm going to call this Mark's Video Plug Video Quiz. And this is the title that will appear on your students' screens. I'm going to fill in some of the rest of the info. Okay, I've populated some of the info. So I've got a title of my assignment, and I've started to fill out some information. Now, this is where you would write some instructions to your students. So I've written, please watch all of this video and answer the questions. We can give this assignment some points. I can give it 5 points for this thing. Under submission type, we're going to change that to external tool. We then get this box that pops up, enter or find an external tool URL. If we click the find button, you can see that Canvas Studio is one of the options that we're given. So we just need to click that, and then we're taken through to our library. And you can see my library here. You'll recognize this from previous videos. Remember, anything with a rocket icon means that we can use the quiz that's attached to that. So I'm going to select that video. And then we've got these two options, standard embed or video quiz embed. I want this to be a video quiz, so I'm going to click video quiz embed. And then we get to choose from the list of quizzes that we've got attached to this video. In this case, we've just got plug quiz. I press embed and then press select. And as if by magic, it chucks in this really long URL, which we don't need to worry about because Canvas kind of does the magic for us in the background. We've got some options underneath. We can say how many attempts this assignment might have, etc. Once we're happy with that, we press the Save and Publish button. You'll get a preview of what your assignment will look like to your students. You get a load of extra options. You've got these details, insights, captions, and quiz results. We'll come on to have a look at those in a second. If you want to go back at any point and change any of the info we've just entered, you just need to press on this Edit Assignment Settings up here. What I'm going to do is look at this assignment as if I was a student. So you get a view of what the students see. I click my student button up here. And then I press the Get Started button. Now, I've been watching 1 minute and 16 seconds of this video so far as a student, but we can see that there's a question coming up. And as if by magic, our question comes up. Now, if I've been paying attention, I'll know the answer. However, I haven't, so I'm going to choose something ridiculous. The student needs to watch the rest of the video in order to submit the assignment. Now, I'm going to skip this on because we haven't got 4 minutes to wait. So I'm going to skip it on all the way to the very end of the video where we get the Submit Quiz button. So the student has to watch to the end in order to submit the quiz. Okay, so I'm going to submit that as a student and off it goes. I can then view the results. The quiz automatically grades. Remember, we told the quiz which were the right and which were the wrong answers. And look, I got it wrong, and I'm being told that that's incorrect. Make sure that I go and read chapter 8. So not only am I getting some instant feedback, I'm also getting some pointers as to some signposting as to where to look next to improve. Now, back onto the teacher's view of this assignment. And we can go through the rest of these tabs. Now, this details section, really, it just drags in the blurb that's underneath the YouTube video. You can edit that and change it, but we're not going to worry about that. Under the insights bit, we can see which parts of the video were most viewed. And we can see that really, no one really watched the start. They just skipped forward to when the question was, which means that all of this valuable stuff here was lost. we can see that the quiz results, you might need to choose student results. We can see that the student that's attached to this, that I just took this, I had one attempt and I did not score anything on that attempt. I got 0%. If we click back to the Insights tab, you'll see that you get all the students underneath who've taken your quiz, all the people that have taken your quiz. If I click on Test Student, you can see that Test Student viewed this stuff one time. It really starts to drill down in the analytics of what that person was doing. You can kind of start questioning people. Well, I know that you didn't watch the whole video, for example. With this student in particular, he didn't watch any of it. So it starts to give you lots of information that previously we haven't been able to get. Okay, I hope you found that really useful. Canvas Studio quizzes, I think, are really powerful, really excellent ways of getting some assessment across to your learners using video. Next time, we're going to be looking at discussions and looking at how students can comment and collaborate with each other using this tool. Thanks.